Hey, my name is Bones Rodriguez, and I am an actor, author, entrepreneur. And I'm here just to answer the question of how can it be that Hub is a for-profit humanitarian company? People don't really understand that Hub is a for-profit business, but that it gives away a bunch of its revenue in humanitarian aid. Here's how that sounds. A lot of people don't really understand it. When McDonald's sells you burgers, you buy burgers. Then McDonald's takes their money and does whatever they do with their operations and pay out their shareholders some of their profit. What Hub is doing is the members buy the membership, the empowerment materials, and the empowerment teleseminars and things like that. That's what they get, just like McDonald's customers get their burgers. Then Hub takes 40% of their revenue, which no other company anywhere goes anywhere near that number. 40% of their revenue, and uses it for humanitarian causes. And it's actually 4 causes at the same time. It's the hub between those 4. There's water, food, education, and microloans. And this, they call it the total package because that cycle can put someone on the path to self-sustainment. Then they take 20% and they run an entire company on 20% of the revenue, which means all the money they take in, they run the company on 20%. That means all the costs need to be paid for, everything needs to be paid for, and then still run the company on 20%. And then the other 40 goes out to the members, which a lot of people don't understand either. And the reason they do that is that the members are then paid to increase the business, which means they're paid to help feed more people. All the other nonprofits and things and companies like that and charities, they spend their money on mailings, on neat magazines, on TV commercials, things like that. Instead, what Hub is doing is giving the money to the members who are already working to help feed the hungry, to spread the word. So any of those things you don't understand, please feel free to contact me. I am so happy to answer questions about Hub all day and night. You can call me. My number will be on the site, or email me over at bones.hubhub.org. You'll be able to email me from there. And that's it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.